Okay, guys, let's get in here at WinCo and see what we can find. I haven't been here in months. They have all kinds. I used to like these for fruit punch. 98 cents, not bad. Cheetos for Frito-Lay, Winco food. $2.98, $3. We had a Frito-Lay $3. And down there, those $2.98, $3. Cupcakes and cookies. Then it's just $3.98. Then they have gourmet cookies, $3.78. 98 cents. All flavors. For $1.98. All kind of flavor. Oh, like that blue tastes good. Oreo cake, $2.28. $2.98 for chips. Dips for $48. $8.98 for, what is that, 20? This is name brand. For $2.48. They have all different kinds. 58 cents fruit. So like a fruit roll-up. Then they have some juice, $1.98. Juice, they have single serve pack, $4.98. And pickle in the pouch, 88 cents. Oh, like where is the pickle they got? $3.45. Applesauce, $1.28. 98. Cookies, $1.98 each. WinCo. I can make some banana butter. Should get some baby banana pudding. They're $2.18. Peanut butter cup. Hershey chocolate bars. Cup. Hershey. Baked Yuzu. What do they call those? Forgot. Hazelnut spread, $2.68. Cooking spread, $1.98. Syrup, $2.48. $8.48. $4.98. $3.20. Not bad. Some cashew. $2.98. Mini sticks, $9. Canned vegetables. Okay, 78 cents. Potato, $1.28. Rice mix, 98. Pea, 78. Black olives, $1.58. $1.68. Hot sauce. I should get some barbecue sauce. 88 cents. I know somebody has so much under $1. Spaghetti, you know, 38 cents. $1.28 for some olive, mushrooms, potatoes. Yeah, because I think at Friday, like $1.25, $1.50. Spicy. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of these just to have it. Pure water. Some water, still water. $2.48. Water bottle. This is cute. Put just some snacks in. This is $2.98 too. Then they have these cold cut, $2.98. This is cute stuff. $1.98. $3.98. $5.48. How many pounds? 2.5. Yeah, and that Kroger was like $9, $10. Now $5.48 here. $99.98. Beef sirloin, $9.98. What else? What else? £3. Chicken breast. $5.90. Those for $9.98. Those for $98. Yeah. $8.98. Bacon, $3.98 for 12 ounce. $9.98 for the lemonade. 98 cents. Wow. Their hot dogs are 95. So, 198. Butter quarters, 348. Mozzarella cheese, 5.88. Sour cream, 168. Watermelon if they on sale. Limes, onion, and corn. Now here we have pineapple, peaches. See, 148 a pound. We have corn, 50 cents each. Then we have some sweet peppers. I try to catch it under $1 a pound, but and then we have avocados, $2.98. So for $3, you can get honey in there. 2 for $6. I used to love those. Used to get those all day long. Walmart for 50 cents. 68 cents, not bad. Chips, $2.28. Cheeses, I just bought those. That's pretzels. And a bag of chips, $15.88. And see, this is what I miss in the older days. 3 pounds for $1. Let's see how much will one be. Something it'll be 5. I think it'll be 5 because 15 pounds. And it's 3 pounds for $1. So let's see. That's an angel. I really like angel salt. And those is $9.98. I'm gonna look for the. I don't know which would be better. Cause they look pretty thick. Yeah, they look pretty thick. Expressioners. And they have some drink. Everybody's so crazy about the Polar Pop. At $3.48 a bag for oranges. These avocados, ooh, $1.98 each, large. I'd rather get that bag over there. Dang, there's a lot of $1 for one. Dang, $2 for those. 3 packs of onion for $1.68. And I be spending $2. I think I just bought some oranges. I think I'm gonna get them. 50 avocados, limes. Is it bananas? 74 cents each. Lemons. Limes is $1. 54. Okay. These are the same. Apples, mangoes, kiwi. No, we had bought some here when Sarah had the headache. I wondered the one that we used. Ooh, let's see, what is this? Papayas. Coconut. Ain't it? No, is it coconut? Oh my God, guys. Reese's cereal. Reese's cereal, $2. Can't beat that. $2. Lucky Charms, $2. Can't beat that. Wow. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, $2 for cereal. Wow. Or you can get a 10 pound for $2.98. Wow. Wow. Dang. I'm at the store. I wonder if they take my card. Probably not. I wish they did. Because if they did, I would come here. This thing. 15 pack? It's not bad. Dang. Capri 6. $2.68. $1.98. So I'm gonna get it. It'll be 10 for $48, just like what I get the Family Dollar. I'm not picky, guy, when it comes to toilet paper. Toilet paper is toilet paper. I'll wipe your butt. One roll of toilet paper for 10, 15, 20 bucks. I'm saving $4 because I usually get them for 11. I'm okay with paper towels. I got 4 packs of paper towels. $3.98. Those chips, $2.95. White vinegar, $3.78. Ooh, bleach. I'm okay with bleach. If not, I don't know, but I think this is bigger than the Dollar Tree. It's not bad, $9 with this big old thing. And energy drinks. What's this? Pill bag for food storage. Other rice. Biscuit mix. Bye, my babies. That's part 1. See you later.